Number 94 on our bucket list is Kenai Fjords National Park in Alaska, one of the most breathtaking and unique destinations in the world. In this video, we'll take a look at all the popular things to do, some cool facts, and the unique culture of this amazing park. To help you plan your trip, we'll also cover daily budget recommendations and give you some tips on the best tours and hotels to check out. So, let's dive in. The Kenai Fjords National Park is a stunning wilderness area that covers over 669,000 acres and includes glaciers, fjords, and rugged coastlines. This area has a rich and diverse history, dating back thousands of years to the indigenous Alutiiq people who have lived in the region for thousands of years and still call it home today. The park was established in 1980 and is now a popular destination for tourists and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the most popular things to do here is to take a boat tour to see the glaciers up close. These tours are available from nearby towns like Seward and provide breathtaking views of the glaciers and wildlife like sea lions, whales, and puffins. These tours also give you the opportunity to learn about the history of the region and the impact of climate change on the glaciers. Another popular activity in the park is hiking. With its diverse landscape and scenic trails, there's something for every level of hiker. Whether you want to explore the glaciers, admire the wildflowers, or get up close and personal with the local wildlife, there's a trail for you. For those who want a more adventurous experience, there are backpacking trips available, as well as opportunities to kayak and fish in the fjords. When it comes to budgeting for your trip, you'll need to consider the cost of transportation, food, and activities. Accommodation in the area ranges from budget-friendly campgrounds to high-end lodges, with prices starting at around $30 per night for a budget option and going up to several $100s per night for a luxury experience. Food is also affordable, with meals costing around $10 to $15 in local restaurants and cafes. And when it comes to transportation, there are local buses and taxis available, as well as rental cars, with prices starting at around $30 per day. When it comes to tours and hotels, there are many options available, depending on your budget and preferences. For boat tours, consider booking through a local tour company, like Major Marine Tours or Kenai Fjords Tours, for a guided and safe experience. For hotels, there are several options available, including the Seward Windsong Lodge, which offers beautiful views of the fjords and is within walking distance of the town center. So, that's a quick overview of the Kenai Fjords National Park in Alaska. With its breathtaking landscapes, rich history, unique culture, and endless activities, it's the perfect destination for any outdoor enthusiast. With affordable prices and a range of tours and hotels to choose from, there's never been a better time to visit. So pack your bags and get ready to explore one of the most amazing parks in the world. Make sure to like and subscribe to follow along as we count down the 101 best things to do before you die.